using Microsoft Graph API for better app development. When it comes to app development, time is of the essence. Developers need tools to save time and resources. They must still deliver high-quality apps. The Microsoft Graph API is one such tool that can significantly streamline the app development process. API Better App Development. One of the key benefits of using the Microsoft Graph API for app development is the ability to create highly personalized and context-aware applications. By leveraging data from Microsoft services, developers can build apps that are tailored to the specific needs and preferences of users. For example, an app that integrates with Outlook calendars can provide users with personalized reminders and notifications based on their schedule. Microsoft API Development. The Microsoft Graph API offers developers powerful data integration. It also allows for personalization. The API gives access to a wide range of data, including emails, contacts, and files. App development using Microsoft Graph API. Another advantage of using the Microsoft Graph API is the rich set of tools and resources that Microsoft provides to developers. The API includes docs, code samples, and SDKs for various languages. This makes it easy for developers to start app development. Also, Microsoft has strong security features and compliance standards. They ensure that developers can build secure, compliant apps. Graph API for app development. When it comes to app development, collaboration is key. The Microsoft Graph API lets developers share data and collaborate across different apps and services. By using the Graph API, developers can create apps that work well with other Microsoft services, like Azure Active Directory and powered by. In conclusion, the Microsoft Graph API is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance app development.